everyone, this is Rituparna and welcome back to my channel Rituparna here. I know I have not been posting a long form video since a long period of time. So today I just thought to sit and talk with you guys. So this video is going to be a little spontaneous. Today I am going to discuss about the books which I have bought recently. And these books are really very affordable because I got 8 set of books just in 999. And the quality of books are really very good. And I'm going to show the books to you just in a while. This is the first book, which is The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. This is the book I have been reading currently and I have finished this book today itself. The quality of the book is very good. It's almost like new. Second book is this Cat List by Chandramouli Venkat Sen. The quality of this book is good, though it's a bit older. I have almost finished half of this book as well. The third book is Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. Actually, I have ordered this book in English version. By mistake, it came in Hindi. I have placed an exchange request for this book, but the quality of this book is very good. Fourth book is The Power of Now. It's by Eckhart Tolle. This book is a bit older. The cover is looking dull, but the overall page's quality is nice. Fifth book is this Life's Amazing Secret by Gaur Gopal Das. Most of you must have aware of him. The quality of this book is good as well. Sixth book is Measure What Matters by John Doerr. This book is almost like new. Overall, the quality is very good. Seventh book is The 10x Rule by Grant Cardone. The quality of this book is very good as well. It's almost as new. And the eighth book is Good to Great by Jim Collins. This book is very thick. I have just started reading this book and almost finished 15 pages of it. The quality of this book is also very good. The books I ordered are non-fiction, that is self-help, but you can order fiction books as well. Along with these books, I got these Harry Potter bookmarks. These are super cute. There are total 6 characters. Those are Lily, Harry, Hagrid, Luna, Snape and Sirius. Let me know in the comment section below which characters are your favorite among these. This is the first time I have bought books in sets. I am going to review each and every books after reading them. Let me know in the comment section below if you have read any of these books. In my opinion, reading from paperbacks are more convenient than reading from e-books or listening to audiobooks. Let me know your thoughts on it. The link of the website from where I bought these books is in my description. So you can check that out if you want to have such affordable books. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then do hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram as well. The link of my ID will be in my description. See you soon. Bye.